Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy. Today I have something important to share with you, and this thing is going to be a face scrub. So I'm going to show you how to make your own face scrub that will brighten your skin, that will give you a nice skin and a glowing skin, and will leave you with a spot-free skin. So if you want to know what these ingredients will be, do keep watching, don't go away. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to see. Also leave comment below. I'm happy to reply to all your messages, and if you are new, you are most welcome. Check out other of my video and see what you think. All right, let's jump into it. So guys, I will be needing my almond. So this almond is the seed, but I have the powder one. This is the powder almond. This is the almond powder. But if you don't have almond powder, you can use this particular one. You soak it inside water for 2 to 3 hours. Later you peel it off, you dry it after you blend it. But I'm gonna be using the powder one. So I'll just take 3 spoons of almond, 1 spoon, two spoons, three spoons. If you want it more, you can use as many as you want. So I will be needing my fresh milk. So this is my fresh milk. I'll be needing my fresh milk. So I'll add 2 spoons of fresh milk. So I will need my lemon. So I will add a spoon of lemon. Remove the seed. So you add it together. So I'll mix it. Mix it very well. So you leave it to sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour before you apply it on your face. So I'm going to leave it to sit for 30 to 1 hour, then we'll now apply it. So guys, this is the scrub. So you're gonna clean your face to make you wash your face first before you apply this scrub. So you just apply it. You scrub your face in a circle motion. So you scrub it very well. But you don't wash it off. You use it overnight. You sleep with this scrub. So you scrub very well. It's gonna take out those dead skin out, and it will brighten your skin. It will leave you with a spot less free skin. So if you have acne, you have wrinkles on your face, this scrub is perfect for you. So you scrub it, it will make you look young. And if you want to lighten, this thing will lighten you in the next 7 days. From the first day you start seeing the result. So you scrub this, you sleep overnight, you leave it overnight, you don't wash it off. So in the morning you wash it off, you will see the difference in no time. From the first day, within 7 days you will see the difference. So that is the end. So this is how you're going to be doing it, and within 7 days you will notice results. You will see a lot of difference in your skin. So try this way and let me know what you think. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. So if you know this video was helpful to you, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends, with your loved one, with your family. If you know you are new in this channel, please also subscribe to this channel, check out other of my video, and leave a comment below. Share this video with all of your loved ones. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Love you. Bye. See you in another video. Bye.